Got one. Hello! In my last video I made this lure. And today we've come to the river to test it out. It is a pike lure, so we'll be targeting pike. So let's test the lure out. It is the first time this lure has seen the water. It works amazingly. I'm so glad. I hope you guys can see it. I have a polarized filter, so there shouldn't be too much reflection. It is really good. Alright, let's see if the pike like it as much as I do. I've never been on this stretch of the river, and I found a nice looking breach. Maybe there's someone living under it. Maybe not. Maybe I get better access from the other side of it. Maybe there's no one home right now. The riverbanks are not that easily accessible. And landing a fish from here is a nightmare. Let's keep going. This swim is fishable. Seems like there's no one here. There should be a campsite up ahead. And there's also quite many houses over here, so I imagine that this place is quite heavily pressured in terms of fishing. Maybe I just have to walk further downstream. The river is about 50 meters that way. I wouldn't want to push through whatever this is. So I'll just keep walking. So here's that campsite I was talking about. Pretty nice actually. Some firewood. Is this supposed to be slept in? I think so, yeah. The river is quite nice here. I'll take a moment to talk about my gear. So, I'm using a bait caster. I like them for jerkbait fishing. The rod is 2.4 meters long and it has a 70 gram test, which is quite nice for this size of a jerkbait. Usually you'd like a shorter rod that's stiffer, but again, for this size of a lure, it's not that big of a deal. Also the length is nice if you're fishing from a riverbank. The braid I'm using is 0.18 millimeters. I'm using a bit thinner braid than I would normally use for jerkbaits. It's annoying to use thicker braid when there's current in the river, because the current just takes the braid and goes with it. And that's about it for my setup. Let's keep going and try to catch something. Whew, the worst thing possible just happened. I got it stuck on some kind of a... Alright, it's my lucky day, I guess. That got me worried for a second. Whew, let's try to be more careful, eh? Some kind of a branch again. Why do I keep doing this to myself? I could see the lure though. Oh, it slipped. That was a small pike. Probably the same size as my lure. Got one. Oh, missed him. Ooh. It wasn't a bad fish either. Got one. He's hooked pretty badly. And he's small. Oba. Go back. Alright, so first fish with this lure. At least I haven't blanked today. I have about 1 hour left of fishing. Let's see if we can get another one, or 2, or 3. I wouldn't mind. Alright, that's something bigger. That felt like a log. Ooh, I hope I can get my lure back. Let's see if pulling from the other side helps. Yeah, it did. It was a take. It was a nice take. Ooh. Got one. Yeah, it's the same guy who took it before. How is he hooked? How did you miss so badly? Can I get you like this? I really wouldn't want to fall in. I hope you'll be alright. Go back. Alright. So, this will be my last cast. Alright, this won't be the last cast. This is the last cast. Seems like it's a bit shallower over there. Oh well, I have to get going. So this is it for today. Got 2 small pike and 1 semi-decent one got away. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.